Hi dear friends, how are you all? Welcome to YouTube channel HR Tutorials India. In this video, we'll be discussing how to withdraw PF completely through online, that is nothing but how to withdraw PF through online process if an employee left the services and the gap is 1 or 2 months or at the time of retirement. So in this video, we'll be discussing how to fill Form 19 and Form 10C for the complete PF withdrawal through online process. How to withdraw PF Form 19 and 10C online. Employee Provident Fund (EPF), also referred to EPF Provident Fund. It is a mandatory savings cum retirement scheme for employees of an eligible organization. The employees can fall on the corpus of this fund post-retirement. As per the EPF rules, the employees must contribute 12% of their basic pay every month to the fund. The employer contributes a matching amount to the employee's EPF account. The amount deposited in EPF accounts earns interest on annual basis. Employees can withdraw the entire sum accumulated in their EPF once they retire. However, this article explains how one can make premature withdrawals from the EPF account after meeting certain conditions. In simple words, EPF is also called as Provident Fund, which is a mandatory savings scheme for all the employees from an organization for their retirement. This EPF amount helps the employees as a corpus fund at the time of retirement. As per the EPF rules, employees contribute 12% of their basic pay to their EPF. At the employer end, equal contribution, that is 12%, will be contributed to the EPF, and this amount will be deposited in EPF accounts and also earns interest on annual basis. Employees can withdraw the entire sum of accumulated EPF once the employee is retired. At the same time, an employee can also withdraw a part amount or a partial amount of PF from their PF balance, depends upon their requirements, and the employee should meet the conditions. So let us understand what are the conditions which are need to be met to withdraw partial PF. When can you withdraw PF? One may choose to withdraw EPF entirely or partially. Complete withdrawal can be done at the time of retirement. Partial withdrawal can be done depends upon the requirements, and the employee should meet the conditions to withdraw the partial EPF. Now let us see how to withdraw complete withdrawal and partial withdrawal. EPF complete withdrawal. Now let us see how and when an employee can withdraw EPF completely. EPF can be withdrawn entirely only under the following two circumstances: when an individual retires and when an individual is unemployed for more than 1 month. He or she can withdraw 75% of the total accumulated amount and can withdraw the rest 25% if the unemployment period stretches beyond 2 months. In simple words, PF can be withdrawn at the time of retirement, and 75% of the PF can be withdrawn if the employee is unemployed for 1 month, and the remaining 25% can be withdrawn after 2 months of unemployment. Individuals cannot make a complete withdrawal of EPF balance while switching employers if they don't remain unemployed for 2 months or more, that is interim period between changing jobs, which means an employee cannot withdraw PF in between jobs, and the employee can only withdraw PF if the unemployment is more than 2 months. EPF partial withdrawal. Now let us see when an employee can withdraw PF partially. Partial withdrawal of EPF balance can be made only under circumstances. The limit of withdrawal is also different for different circumstances. Now let us see what are the different circumstances under which a partial PF withdrawal can be done. Medical purpose, marriage, education, purchase of land or purchase or construction of a house, home loan repayment, house renovation, partial withdrawal before retirement. So these are the circumstances under which an employee can withdraw PF partially. Even for these partial withdrawals, there are few conditions which need to be met. Now let us see theoretically the step-by-step process of withdrawal of EPF partially. Once the theoretical part is done, we'll show you practically how to withdraw PF. Step 1. Open EPF portal, that is https unified portal-mem.epfindia.gov.in, and the second step is log in with your UN and password, enter the captcha and click on the sign in button. Step 3. Click on the manage tab and select KYC to check whether your KYC details such as Aadhaar, PAN and bank details are verified or not. Step 4. Once the KYC details are verified, go to the Online Services tab and select the option Claim form number 13, 19, 10C and 10D from the drop-down menu. Step 5. The following screen will display the member's details, KYC details and other service details. Enter your bank account number and click on Verify button. Step 6. Click on Yes to sign the certificate of the undertaking and then proceed. Step 7. Now click on Proceed to Online Claim. Step 8. In the claim form, select the claim you require, that is full PF settlement or PF partial withdrawal, loan or advance or pension withdrawal under the tab I want to apply for. If the member is not eligible for any of the services like PF withdrawal or pension withdrawal due to the service criteria, that option will not be shown in the drop down menu. Step 9. Then select PF withdrawal form 19 and select pension withdrawal form 10C to withdraw your PF and pension. Further, provide the purpose of such advance, the amount required and the employee's address. Step 10. You must sign the disclosure and checkbox the Get Other OTP. You will have to enter the OTP, then click on Validate OTP. Now click on the certificate and submit your application. You may be asked to submit scanned documents for the purpose you have filled the form. So dear friends, hope you understood the step-by-step process to withdraw EPF completely through Form 19 and Form 10C. Now let us see practically how to withdraw PF completely through Form 19 and 10C. First you need to go to Google and type EPF member login. Now you will be popped out with unifiedmemepfindia.gov.in. Click this. You will be directed to a website Unified Member eSeva. Now you need to enter the UN number of the employee. Then you need to enter the password. Then you need to enter the CAPTCHA. Then click on sign in button. Here it will be popped out with second factor authentication. So here you need to enter the OTP which is sent to your mobile number. Then you need to enter the CAPTCHA. Then click on submit button. Now you have entered the employee member portal. Here you need to check your KYC first. Once all the KYC is clear, then you can initiate the process for PF withdrawal. Here PAN, bank number and Aadhaar all are verified and approved as well. So you can proceed with the application process for withdrawal of PF. Now click on Online Service drop down and click on Claim Form number 31, 19, 10C and 10D. You will be directed to a new page, Online Claim Form 31, 19, 10C and 10D. Here you can see all the details of the employees are mentioned. Here for proceeding further, you need to enter the bank account number which is registered with EPF account. Then click on Verify. Here it is asked for certificate of undertaking. So here you need to understand and agree terms and condition and click on Yes button. Here it is verified. Then here you can see that a member has resigned from the previous company and here you can claim for PF withdrawal. Now you need to click on Proceed for online claim. So dear friends, we have entered the bank details and we have verified the bank account details. After that, it has been popped out and opened a new window where it says please choose claim form type, PF withdrawal, PF advance or pension withdrawal. So here all the details of the employers are mentioned, and when you drop down here you can see I want to apply for. So there are claim options. So here there are multiple options for which you want to claim for. So here the options are only PF withdrawal, that is Form 19, only pension withdrawal, that is Form 10C, scheme certificate 10C and PF advance, that is Form 31. So Form 31 is a partial PF advance wherein an employee withdraws during his employment with the company or for any other purposes which we have seen in a previous video. Now, as I have told you that only pension withdrawal has been already applied by the employee earlier. So here if you select this, here you can see your previous claim is already pending. Please track claim status. So which means the person or the employee has already applied for pension withdrawal, that is Form 10C. Now we want to apply PF withdrawal Form 19. So we need to click on this option. After clicking on this option, you will be popped out other details which we need to be filled and for application of Form 19. The first thing is upload Form 15G. So we need to upload the Form 15G. Here the employee has already filled the Form 15G. So I'm just selecting this Form 15G that should be in the form of PDF, and the size of the PDF should be less than 1 MB. So I'll show you how Form 15G will be, and I'll explain you in the upcoming video how to fill the Form 15G. For example, the Form 15G looks like this. Form 15G. So the details of the employee all should be mentioned, and what is the PF amount has to be withdrawn, that is should be mentioned, and UN number and what is the purpose of PF withdrawal and signature date should be mentioned in the Form 15G. I'll explain you how to fill this Form 15G in the upcoming video. Once the Form 15G is uploaded, then here it is asked for employee address. Here we need to enter the employee address details. After entering the address details, here you need to upload the scanned copy of checkbook or passbook, and the size of the check or passbook should be more than 100 KB and less than 500 KB, and it should be in the format of JPEG or JPG. Here I have already taken a cancel check of the employee where I need to upload this one. After uploading, you need to drop down, and here you need to declare stating that all the details are correct and you should proceed with get Aadhaar OTP. After clicking this, OTP will be sent to the registered mobile number with PF. Here you need to enter the OTP which is sent to the Aadhaar mobile number registered with EPF. After entering the OTP, click on valid OTP and submit claim form. Online claim form request is submitting at portal. Now you can see OTP has been verified, eKYC updated, and PF withdrawal claim form submitted successfully on unified portal. Click here to view the PDF. So dear friends, we have successfully submitted the claim for Form 19, that is EPF withdrawal. Here we can click and check out all the details of the application filed for PF withdrawal. Once you click on this, all the details of the employee and the check proof and the details for claim of PF will be displayed in this form, for which will be used for future reference. So dear friends, we have seen the theoretical as well as practical part of the step-by-step process to withdraw PF, both in the form of Form 19 and 10C. So dear friends, hope you understood the step-by-step process to withdraw PF completely, that is through Form 19 and 10C through online process. Hope you understood how to withdraw PF completely. So dear friends, if you have any queries or questions related to this video, please do comment in the comment section and I'll be happy enough to answer all your queries. And if you like this video, please do subscribe and share among your friends. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day.